Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep up with our latest insights. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 16th of April of 2025, our system has classified SPY as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.02. Now, let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Interestingly, the ETF has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.26%. This results in an average return of 0.07% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, and indications suggest further declines within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 15% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 22% to a decline of 12%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 10%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 4% to 30% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $549 and $586. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline: SPY ETF price ended at $527.05 on Tuesday, after gaining 2.53%. The SPY ETF price gained 2.53% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025. It rose from $514.04 to $527.05. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.96%, reaching a low of $519.19 and a high of $529.37. The price has been moving up and down during this period, and there has been a 4.49% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 66 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $34.68 billion. It is important to consider that decreasing volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially signaling changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $613.23, while the lowest price was $481.80. Currently, the price is 14.05%, or $86.18, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500, represented by SPY, is showing signs of recovery following a recent sell-off, with notable gains propelled by strong earnings from key companies like Lockheed Martin and Amazon. As traders await crucial earnings reports, including Tesla, the positive sentiment is buoyed by a resurgence in defense and aerospace stocks, which reported unexpected earnings surprises. Despite this rebound, market watchers remain cautious. The auto industry is facing serious challenges, with established manufacturers grappling with declining sales and margins, while newer electric vehicle companies struggle with profitability. This environment could favor value investing, highlighting lower valuations in stable companies. The broader market context includes increasing concerns over inflation and interest rates, particularly following President Trump's criticisms of Federal Reserve policy. The backdrop of an escalating trade conflict with China also adds volatility, potentially impacting market performance in the longer term. The interplay between these factors will likely influence SPY's movement, with investor sentiment shifting in response to both earnings reports and geopolitical developments. In the short term, positive earnings could support further gains, whereas lingering trade tensions may pose risks that could suppress growth potential for the S&P 500. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 6.16%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The exchange-traded fund should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The SPY ETF currently indicates sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $529.11 and $550.53. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average has a sell signal from 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 39 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average generated a sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average has a sell signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 31 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $524.58. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $10.17 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 1.96%. In the previous week, the ETF experienced a daily average volatility of 2.01%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $536.70. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $524.58. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and a stop loss has not been established. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Currently, SPY displays several negative signals and is trading within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks, leading us to hold a negative outlook on this ETF. Our analysis of the volatility and price movements from the last trading day suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, we expect SPY to open lower by $1.85, beginning at a price of $525.20. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.